The IP proxy market is a vast and complex landscape, often leaving users frustrated with common issues. Many face slow download speeds, high costs, frequent IP blocks, and dashboards that require technical expertise. E-commerce managers, for instance, often encounter bans on platforms like Amazon or Shopify when managing multiple accounts without rotating residential IPs. But what if a new brand could disrupt this saturated market, offering unexpected solutions to these long-standing problems? Today, we're dissecting Lunaproxy, a newer entrant launched in 2022 by Proxy veterans to uncover its true capabilities. Lunaproxy boasts a massive pool of over 200 million ethically sourced residential IPs across 195 plus countries and 500, 000 plus cities. Our tests reveal Lunaproxy averages 120 megabits per second download speed, which is double the industry average of 20 to 60 megabits per second. It also achieves an impressive 95% uptime compared to the industry's 85 to 90% and a block rate of less than 1% in e-commerce scraping tests. Lunaproxy offers unlimited concurrent sessions, a significant advantage over industry caps of 1,000 to 10,000. Its intuitive dashboard features one-click country, city, or AS pass switching, eliminating the need for complex coding. Lunaproxy's billing is pay-per-flow, with residential proxies at just 77 cents per gigabyte, an astounding 80% below the industry average of $4 per gigabyte. For 100 gigabytes of monthly e-commerce use, Lunaproxy costs only $77, compared to over $400 for competitors like SOX or NetNut. Meet an e-commerce manager who scaled their Shopify dropshipping business, handling 200 accounts daily without bans. By using Lunaproxy's rotation, they saved 60% on costs compared to their previous provider, demonstrating real-world impact. Despite being a newer brand, Lunaproxy outperforms veterans in speed, affordability, and usability, solving critical pain points. It boasts a Proxyway speed index score of 9.2 out of 10 and a Trustpilot rating of 4.8 out of 5 from over 500 reviews. Experience the difference yourself with Lunaproxy's 1 gigabyte free trial and take advantage of their 10% new user discount. Visit lunaproxy.com today and discover how a new brand can truly redefine your proxy experience.